Got you feeling loose, blame it on the throne. Got you in the zone, blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the
Deke! Deke, where are you?
God damn it, my name's Richard.
Sorry, Richard. Oh, I mean Deke, sorry.
It's Richard.
No, not in my country. In my country, Richard means Deke, so you dickhead.
Where are you even from?
Afghanistan.
So it's you people that are destroying America?
No. It's all Asians.
Whatever.
Oh, man. How's your family?
What family? They all died.
Really? I thought my friends shoot your mother.
That was your friend?
Yeah, CCC.
Oh, you didn't tell me.
I'm sorry, Deke. I thought it was supposed to be a joke.
Oh shit, I didn't even like her anyway.
Good job, Deke. You're doing a very nice job.
What the hell is this?
What? I don't know. Oh, that's my toy from last night. I'm sorry. Alright, sorry. That's my wife's. That's my lunch. No, you don't eat my lunch. No. Why you do that? That was my lunch.
Sorry.
Nice, good boy. That's for bedtime.
You know what? I gotta go to the bathroom.
Deke, you better be fast, Deke. This is hard work. Deke, put that light on. You son of a bitch. Get over here. Oh, Deke. Oh, man. Get over here. Oh, man. Deke, where are you? Senorita! In the bathroom. What happened, man? You okay?
What do you want?
What you do in the bathroom, huh? Come on.
I fell asleep. Sorry, dude.
Come on, man. Hurry up, man. Come on.
Taking a dump. What do you expect?
You take dump.
I ate your Doritos. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you ain't. You don't eat my Doritos.
Sorry.
What the hell? What the hell's there? What you doing in the bathroom?
Nothing.
No, you do something.
I'm not doing anything.
You doing something bad. You like coffee. You know you like that, right? See?
I
Right?
don't like anything.
Is that your girlfriend?
No.
Oh, who is it?
I don't know what you're talking. I don't know what you're talking about.
What's the magazine, huh? Huh?
What? Whoa, what do you have there?
He has magazine. You wake up. No.
Just give me a minute. I'll be out in a second.
Alright, hurry up. In my bathroom. In my bathroom. You wake up. Hurry up, senor. Oh, no. No, you like. No, you like. No. No, señorita. Oh.